Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this adorable 4th of July nail design, so let's get into it. As you can see, I'm beginning the manicure by buffing my nails, and then I'm wiping them down with acetone, and then I'm going in with a gel base coat. Next up, I'm going to be applying a white base color to every nail except for my middle fingernail, and this is because my red polish is not as opaque as I would like it to be, so I'm going to go in with white before I put the red, so that way the red looks way more vibrant. As for my middle nail, I'm going to go in with a much more neutral color as my base color, and now I'm just going to begin a second coat for each nail. And now to begin the design portion, I'm taking a dotting tool and I'm going to start with the strawberry shapes using my red polish. I did this by starting with a circular shape and then I just added a more rounded point to one part of each of the strawberries. And I tried to spread them out a little bit and make sure that they were all facing sort of similar but different directions. As for the flowers, I'm also going to try and spread them out a little bit, and I'm beginning with an outline where I do 5 white dots that mark where each petal will be. And now taking my detail brush, I'm just going to begin filling in each of those petals one at a time. And just a pro tip right here, try and make sure each of the dots are big enough that they can actually complete one full petal. As you can see with this flower, I did have to add some extra white polish to it, which made it look a little bit less perfect than I wanted to, but it ended up okay. And now taking a lighter green color, I'm going to begin the leaves of the strawberries, taking my detail brush, and I'm just going to add about 3 to the top of each strawberry. And now for the seeds on the strawberries, I actually tried a dotting tool at first, but it was actually too big, so I ended up using a mechanical pencil. As you can see, I did the side of the pencil that had less of the polish, and I just tried to tap as lightly as I could. I did wipe off a couple of them and redid them. Just take your time with this step. And now to finish up this nail, I'm taking yellow and I'm using my mechanical pencil again, and I'm adding the center to each flower. And now for my ring fingernail, I'm going to be taking this blue polish and my detail brush, and I'm going to begin by doing 3 lines going one direction on my nail. As you can see, I did the first line down the middle, and now I'm doing 2 lines on either side of my nail. I started off by leaving them a little bit skinnier than I intended for them to be, and after I finished them, I just added a little bit more thickness to each of the lines on both sides, so that way I would have the proper size for the squares in the picnic blanket. Now I'm going to be going the opposite direction, and this time I'm going to be doing about 4 lines, but you could do however many based on the length of your nail that you would like there to be. I did kind of the same thing where I started off by making the line a little bit thinner than I intended for it to be. I finished it up, and then if I felt like it needed to be thicker, I added a little bit extra to each of the lines. As you can see, I started with one towards the back of my nail, and then I tried to do equal spacing between each of the lines. I just want to note that for the last 2 lines, I did them on the edge of my nail, so they're each probably a little bit thinner than the other ones, but I really wanted to make it outlined like a picnic blanket. And now to finish up the design, I'm going to seal it all in with a top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.